everybody, thanks for checking out today's video, which is going to be on winter trimming. Now, correct pruning is a landscape practice that can enhance not only the health and the vigor of your trees and shrubs, but it also helps the aesthetics of them as well. So I'm going to go over 4 advantages to pruning during the winter time. The first one is, during the winter time, most woody plants are dormant, and so are the many diseases and insects that can potentially invade the pruned branches. Winter pruning is also beneficial for your plants because they have extra root and energy reserve to quickly heal wounds and support vigorous spring growth that will obscure the pruning cuts. And lastly, winter pruning is also good for you. It gives you a reason to go outside on a mild winter day and enjoy your landscape. Now, there are many reasons to prune woody plants, and it's a good idea to understand why you're pruning them before you start. The most common reasons that homeowners prune their plants is to reduce or maintain a plant's size. Other reasons to prune include removing dead, diseased, or damaged branches, increasing flowers or fruits, stimulating growth, and removing branches that may be interfering with or obstructing pedestrians, traffic, and buildings. There are 2 basic techniques that are used when pruning most woody plants: thinning and cutting back. Thinning is the removal of an entire branch back to the next branch or the main trunk. This technique promotes better health and form by removing weak and diseased branches, and it also increases light penetration and air movement. Cutting back is simply shortening the length of the branch back to a bud or the next side branch. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below. And happy landscaping.